Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Fun with Science. We have launched a special series named Scientists at Home in which we will be coming up with exciting and interesting experiments that you can perform at home in this pandemic. So let's start off with the first video whose topic is understanding the properties of suspensions, solutions and colloids. The materials required for this experiment are sugar or salt, wheat flour, drops of milk or ink, 3 transparent glasses or jar, spoon, water, flashlight or a focus source of light. Step 1. Fill equal amounts of water in all the 3 beakers. Now add some amount of salt to beaker A and mix it well. Similarly, add some amount of wheat flour to beaker B and dissolve it properly. Add a few drops of milk to beaker C. As we can see, our solution, suspension and colloid are ready to be tested. Let us observe. The first question that arises in our mind is, do the particles of these mixtures visible to the naked eye? The particles of solution are not visible to a naked eye. But now in mixture B, if we observe clearly, we are able to see that there are some particles which are visible to a naked eye. In colloid, we can clearly see that the particles are not visible to a naked eye. The particles have not completely dissolved and they have neither completely settled down to the bottom. Now we will direct a beam of flashlight or focus light so we can understand technical effect more clearly. As you can see, on focusing a flashlight in the solution, the particles of solution does not scatter the source of light. Now, on focusing the flashlight onto the suspension, we can clearly observe that the particles of suspension scatter the light very perfectly, and this can be also demonstrated as Tyndall effect. In solution C, we can observe that the path of light is clearly visible and the particles of colloid are big enough to scatter light. For our next observation, we will leave these 3 mixtures undisturbed for 10 minutes and observe what happens after that. After leaving the mixtures undisturbed for 10 minutes, we can clearly observe that the solution is as clear as it was. The particles of solution are neither visible to the naked eye and they have neither settled down at the bottom. But in solution B, which is in suspension, we can clearly observe that the particles of wheat flour particles have settled down at the bottom and formed a thick layer. In solution C, which is a colloid, the particles have neither settled down to the bottom, but they can be seen as uniform throughout. So here we can conclude that mixture A and C are quite stable because their particles do not settle down at the bottom, but mixture B is quite unstable. Now, with help of this beautiful and easy to perform experiment, we can easily understand the properties of 3 types of mixtures. Let us summarize these properties in a beautiful manner. Properties of a solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. The particles of a solution cannot be seen with a naked eye. The particles of solution do not scatter light. They do not show Tyndall effect. The particles of solution do not settle down when left undisturbed. Properties of a suspension. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The particles of suspension can be seen with the naked eye. The particles of suspension scatter a beam of light. The particles of suspension settle down at the bottom when left undisturbed. Properties of colloid. A colloid is a heterogeneous mixture. The particles of colloid cannot be seen with the naked eye. The particles of colloid scatter light, which means they show Tyndall effect. The particles of colloid do not settle down at the bottom if they are left undisturbed. So friends, I hope that you may have enjoyed the video. Try this at home and let us know your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.